Hey, all you fellow raccoons, I am the Drumming Raccoon, and welcome to... Never mind. Alright, so, hello and welcome to Will You Press the Button? Load, please. You land your dream job. Nope. Yeah. Because, yeah. 47 years ago? 47 years? 47 years. 47 years. This application, I don't even think phones are 40. No. You would never get itches, but you have Skyboot, yes. Basically, we're just going to be doing this because I'm not going to be making any more episodes unless this video gets a whopping 2 likes. This game is awesome. It's only going to be like a 3-minute episode anyway. Yes. How is it 47 years ago? Do you mean 4 years ago, maybe? 47 years ago. How? Even what? You can predict the future, but you can see your own death and you cannot avoid it. No. 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 I will not. No. Why? Anyway, you're the best singer in the whole world, but you'll never be able to sing in front of us. Sure. Okay, I'll live 47 years ago, past this time. Alright guys, I'm gonna do this. You have the power to teleport anywhere in the world. No. No. Hey, it's Sans. Anyway, goodbye. And no. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this last one up to you. No. So, would you gain $10 million, but the money is removed from multiple poor people around the world? I'm gonna leave that up to you. No. But I'm gonna leave that up to you. So, bye-bye.